Mugu just got a package. Let's unbox it together. What? A metal detector? I didn't order a metal detector. What? Also got a cap for free. Nice. I only ordered the metal detector. I got a lot of stuff for free. And a hat. And an accessory. Magnetic charger. I also got a very big coil. This is also for free. And I also got a really small coil for free. Let's continue this video with the hat. So let's concentrate on the metal detector now, and we're gonna look at this later. Some manuals and screen protectors. Here we got the armrest. These are the headphones. Nice bag. Charging cable for the headphones. The headphones, they feel nice. We can also use it via cable, and they also lock into the detector. And the main component, this very nice carbon fiber shaft. I can say everything feels more premium than the Deus 2 until now. So I just want to make this clear. I only bought the metal detector. It said on the website that the 11-inch coil was included and the 15-inch coil. And we got a lot more for free. Not sponsored. Really. We got the 15-inch coil, the biggest coil. We got the 9-inch coil. We also got another charging cable. We also got a Minelab, I don't know what this is. We got a Minelab hat. We also got some accessories. These are also extra because they were in the package already. And we got this nice little thing to maybe put in your pinpointer or anything you find. We got the aux cable for the headphones. We got a charging cable for the headphones, the armrest, we got the 11-inch coil, and we also have the headphones with a very nice case, and the main unit, the carbon fiber shaft with the remote. This is everything that we got. Is it worth? Is it worth? Is it worth? Is it worth the 2000? Is it worth the oh my god, is it worth the 2000 euros? I mean, let's assemble it and see if it's more high quality than the Deus 2, because I also bought that one and the Simplex. I don't think we have to compare the Simplex to this beast. Let's put the armrest onto the shaft. I never had an adjustable armrest. This is perfect. Love it so far. It looks pretty high quality, as you can expect for 2000 euros. Now let's attach the shaft onto the coil. That goes like this. Oh, this is nice. You don't even need a nut on the other side. It just goes like this. And it holds. This is perfect. Let's extend the arm. You also have a red line, so it doesn't come out. The other one. Connect it. And we're basically ready to go. So now that we unboxed the beast, here's some final thoughts about it. First thing, I love the carbon fiber shaft. Second thing, the colors on this display are out of this world. I think no detector has a display this good. And the third thing, the adjustable armrest, I don't know, it's the best thing I've ever seen. It's not much, but I'm fascinated. You just press here, adjust it, and press down, and it's fixed. It's just perfect. And I also love that you can rotate this shaft 360 degrees. It doesn't matter if you wrap the cable wrong, because you can just turn it and it'll wrap itself. And that's another thing I love about it. So thanks for watching and consider subscribing, because the next video, 10 things I love about the Manticore that are better than the Deus 2. When that video is finished, you're gonna see it right here.